Most traders believe success comes from having the perfect strategy. But let me ask you, if strategic is everything, why do traders using the same system get different results? Hello everyone, my name is Danjun FX for those who are watching me for the first time, and today we are not learning about charts, not about indicators, even not about smart money concept. We are talking about the real battlefield of the forex, the mind. Please, before I continue, subscribe my YouTube channel. Right now we are 800 plus subscribers. By the end of this month, at least let's push up to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, let me start with this truth from Mark Douglas, okay, the writer of the Trading in the Zone. The consistency you seek is in your mind, not in the market. Before you can conquer the market, you must conquer yourself. Now, let me tell you why I believe so strongly in this. I grew up with a single mom. Life was not easy. There was a day we had nothing. Days I went to school with empty pockets and an empty stomach. I saw my mom sacrifice everything for me. And from those struggles, I learned something. Life doesn't give what you want. It gives what you fight for. When I came into forex, I thought success was about strategic. I learned setups. I studied breakout structure, change of character, liquidity, and even order block. But I still lost. Not because my strategic was wrong, but because my emotions controlled me. And that is when I realized, just like in life, success in forex is not about how much discipline and patience you can practice. The market doesn't reward knowledge alone, it rewards psychology. Why psychology is more important than strategic? Think about this, guys. Two traders have the same knowledge, they see the same setup. One makes money, the other blows the account. What is the difference? The difference is psychology, okay? The first trader follows the plan. The second trader panic, hesitates, or over leverage, okay? As Paul Jones, a billionaire trader, said, the most important rules of trading is to play great defense, not great offense. Defense means protecting your capital. Offense means protecting your mind. A weak mind will destroy a strong strategic, but a strong mind can make even a simple strategic profitable. That's why I always say trading is 20% skills and 80% is about psychology, okay? The market will always test you, not on your analysis, but on your patience, your discipline, and your control. Inside every trader, there are three enemies, and until you conquer them, you cannot win. These are three enemies that punished me when I was starting. Number one was fear, okay? Fear say, what if I lose? Fear makes you close early. Fear makes you doubt your own setup, guys, okay? But here is the truth. Losses are part of the game, as you know, okay? A loss is not the end. It is the tuition fees you pay for growth, okay? So let's look at number two was greedy, okay? Had more lots. Don't close yet. You can double it. Greedy makes you forget your rules. And remember this, guys, the market will always punish greedy, okay? Also, let me talk about impatient. This one is silent but deadly. You can't wait. You force trades. You chase move. You want success now. But in trading, impatience is the fastest way to lose. As Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders, said, the big money is not in the buying or in the selling, but in the waiting. Patience is not weakness. In trading, patience is power. So let me say this, guys, the market is not your enemy. Your enemy is your emotion. How to build the mindset of a professional trader, okay? Now, how do we fight these enemies? How do we build a psychological that wins? Here are the principles that guide you, okay? Number one, let's start with a plan your trade and trade your plan. Don't enter out of pressure. Only enter when the market gives you your setup, okay? And also number two, focus on progress, not profit. As Alexander Elder said, the goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is the secondary. If you focus only on money, emotion will control you, guys. If you focus on progress, consistency will find you. Let me also talk number three about protect your capital at all cost, okay? Think like a soldier. Without a weapon, you cannot fight. Without capital, you cannot trade. defense is your first job, okay? And also let me talk about journal everything. Write down your wins, your losses, but most importantly, your emotions. Ask yourself, why did I enter? Why did I exist? Was I patient or emotion? This is how you expose your weakness and grow. Also, let me talk about detach from money, okay? See every trade as just a probability but not uncertainty. Don't see dollars, see percentages. Don't chase profit, chase good decision, okay? Remember guys, a professional trader is not someone who never loses. A professional trader is someone who never loses control. So guys, let's play out some scenario, okay? Let's say you buy gold at the perfect demand zone. It moves 30 pips in profit, then retraces. Fear say, close now, take something before it disappear. Then you close. Then you watch it run 300 pips in your direction. Fear stole your profit. How painful is that, my friends? Okay. And also, let's say you enter a GJ, it eats your target, but greedy whispers, hold it going higher. You ignore your plan, the market reverses and wipe you out. Greed rob you. Can you see, guys? Okay, let's say in a scenario, price is consolidating, no setup yet, but impatience kicks in. I can't just sit here, let me enter anyway. You force a trade and the market teaches you a painful lesson. Do you see, my friends? The enemy is not the market. The enemy is the trader who cannot master his psychology. Let me tell you one thing, my friends. I grew up with nothing, raised by a single mom. Life tested me in every way, but those struggles gave me the strength to keep going. And I discovered something powerful. Forex is not just about charts. Forex is about life. In life, you need patience. In trading, you need patience. Can you see, guys? In life, you must control emotions. In trading, you must control emotion too. In life, discipline brings success. In trading, discipline brings profit. Can you see, guys? So I want you to remember this. The market doesn't care about your emotion. It only rewards discipline. If you master yourself, you'll master the market. If you master patience, you'll master consistency. If you master discipline, you will master success. And I believe that no matter where you start, no matter what life has thrown at you, with the right psychology, you can achieve greatness in Forex and in life. Thank you very much for those who watch this video up to the end. For those who don't know me, my name is FX. Good night and I love you so very much. Bye bye.